Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is really easy and it's a good breakfast for you if you're getting a little bit fed up day in day out of the same thing. It's overnight oats, but this one is apple and cinnamon and it tastes really good because you can trick yourself into thinking that it's a dessert. So if you don't want to eat it for breakfast but you find yourself snacking a lot, you could actually just eat this as a snack to trick yourself into thinking that you're having something really nice because it's got a natural sweetness. So all you need is your oats. You need some cinnamon, some milk of your choice, and an apple. And it's good to leave the skin on because that's extra fibre for you. So take as many oats as you like and add in cinnamon, again, as much or as little as you like. If you don't like it at all, then obviously you can miss it out. I like it quite cinnamony. Give that a little mix. And then take your apple and you're just going to grate it in. And again, it can be as much or as little as you like, but again, leave that skin on because that's going to add extra fibre. If it's a nice sweet apple, you don't need to worry about adding any sweetness to it. Some people will add things like honey, anything that you can think of. Sometimes people actually do add sugar, but you don't need to. If it's a naturally sweet apple, then you're absolutely fine. So I will not bore you with the entire apple. I'll come back to you in a sec once this is fully in and let you see how it's looking. Right, so we've grated in the apple. So all I'm doing now is giving it a mix into the cinnamon and the oat mixture. And then what we'll do is add in our milk and then cover it up and you're just going to put it in the fridge. And what will happen is when you cook it, your oats are absorbing your liquid. But in the fridge, it's just a slower process. So that's plenty. And what will happen is just for your breakfast in the morning, or as I say, if you're struggling to keep healthy and you find that you're just reaching for crisps and sweets too often, this would be a great snack that's good for you and it's got a little bit of sweetness, but you're not worried that you're constantly snacking on all the wrong things. So you can see how liquidy it looks just now, but we're going to let that absorb overnight and then you'll see how it looks in the morning. And there you have it. We have our overnight oats. The cinnamon is really subtle but noticeable through it. The apple, as you can see, just runs through it. It's so beautiful and sweet. And the balance with the oats is just a lovely snack or a nice change for your breakfast. So that is overnight oats. So easy. I often, as I say, just have it as a snack when I worry that I'm starting to get a little bit too used to the chocolate and the crisps. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any of your own recipes you'd like to share with me for your overnight oats, I'd love to know. And other than that, I will see you again soon.